My name's Maggie Wigger. I am the ELL teacher here, and that means I get to work with students who speak or hear or know other languages. And today I have two special friends here with me to talk to me about Hispanic Heritage Month. Hispanic Heritage Month is in the month of September 15th through October 15th. This is the month where we celebrate all the wonderful contributions that the Hispanic community or the Latino X community have brought and given to the United States of America. So here I have two special people with me. We're going to talk to this friend first. Santiago, tell me a little bit about yourself.
So at home, I speak Spanish with my family, and at Sunday, we go to church. It's Spanish and English, but we have this church guy that doesn't really speak kind of Spanish, and on Sunday, how do you say it? I speak a lot of Spanish at them. I don't have time to speak English, only with my cousins and my sisters, and sometimes my dad.
Very cool. So most of the time your family likes to speak Spanish.
Yeah.
Very cool. Can you show me this flag that you have here? All right. Where's this flag? What country does this flag belong to?
Mexico.
Mexico. And Mexico is one of the countries that contributes to the Hispanic and the Latino X community. And so we're really glad that Santiago came to talk to us, and we're also really glad that he's talking to us about his Hispanic and Latino X heritage. Hey, Monica. All right, this is Monica. She also is here to talk to us about a country that her family is. Do you want to show us that her family came from? Okay, so Monica's family is from Spain. And Monica, do you speak Spanish in the home?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Do you go back, do you travel to Spain do you still have family in Spain?
Yes.
You do? Do you travel back to see them?
Yes.
Very cool. Very cool. Do you have a favorite food? Favorite food that your family makes that you love to eat?
Tamales.
Tamales? Okay, does your mom make really good tamales?
Yes, I love the ones made out of pork.
Very cool. Tamales made out of pork. What about you, Monica? Do you have a favorite food that your family likes to eat? You do? What is it?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes?
Nothing else.
Okay, good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in, and thanks so much for helping us to celebrate the Latino X contributions to the United States of America. And we've been talking a lot about this year about how we can come from different places, we can speak different languages, and that different is cool and different is awesome. So thanks for helping us talk about that. All right. Bye, guys.